So friends, my new topic again I make video and you can see here last video I'm discuss internet information services. What is the internet information services and why using internet information services in Windows operating systems. So how can we use and why using internet information services in Windows operating systems. So today topic services, what is a services and why using a services these administrative tools and why give these services options in every Windows operating system, just like Windows 2003, Windows 2007, 2000, different type 8, different type all of Windows operating system. You can see component services, event reward, basic data source, 32-bit, 64-bit, and resource monitor. I'm already create these resource monitor, task scheduler, and component management, component services, event pivot. Already I'm create these topic video, and today I'm discuss services. What is a services and why using a services for computer. So just I'm click on here, and you can see these my services windows here in services start here. You can see this list of different tab services available in a computer. So first discuss we are only first computer management. You can open here other way services. Click on service application, click on services here. But what is the different these windows and the computer management windows, because this is a some services not available in computer management window, and all of your full you want full services, so click on the services. And second is component management inside your services. This is a third uh, windows here. So you can see here all of services I see, you can see and manage here. So first we are talk about what is a services and why using a services. So you can see here this is a services windows here. In the computer always work with these services, all of services. So what is services? Services is a one type of computer management in computer main operating system. All of file, all of programming files depend work with what is the services and what is the why using a services. So first you can see here you want first start a computer. So not directly your computer start without your driver, without your operating system data, without not start your services. So services mean is a give your help your systems and very important these work for your operating systems, and using special functions, features, and different type, using every time your services work in your computer background. So these services windows you can help your other systems, and you can start some solve and problem your, so some problem solve it, very important for services. So services is a very important for your computer services, like computer your every different type operating system work without without service not working. So computer part, some part very easy, some part not perfectly work without your computer driver. So services is very important work for without your computer software, your computer services, your computer operating system data, you cannot work in your computer. So always services start here, and this feature available very important for every computer. And why using a VR services? Because service is a very important part of computer system. So computer engineer always these type service making, and you can start, stop, and you can feature add, and you can feature remove, you can starting in different types. Yeah. So let's understand how service is working. So first, suppose your computer start, but not directly computer your start. Hardware based services always work with your computer. Hardware based means your computer not directly understand directly your devices. So just I give your desktop, laptop, and you can see services always work with your computer and other computer with other devices just like mobile, your network, anything your service. So services is a very work for your computer management and computer Windows operating system. So I'm just discuss only for not only Windows operating system available, all of Windows available, just like Linux and Linux with other operating system available in these services. So services work with your computer, and your computer main programming data always work with your computer and your systems with, between communications in different type services. Very important, like just like I'm give example, your internet connection, your software connection, your software development programmer, and your manage your computer by services. So you can see here Windows, Mac, Linux, Cisco, these services all of available on operating system, but different uh, you know field area, just like server field area, different services start, and user. So all of services default not work directly. Some services already create by operating system by company, Microsoft company create, and Mac operating system, Linux operating system by default create, and some services you install your software, so automatically services install and start automatically in your background. So services, without services, not you start your computer, not start your operating system, not start your any data and your perform your any computer. So you can see your mobile, desktop, laptop, anything, your very important for services running background, and always try to your you know complete your perform your systems and complete your system with your other performance. So sometime your service is very important for your operating system, just like I'm giving example, you install new software, so without your software you cannot work sometime. So these are very important, some files are very important running without running see these operating system files and software files. So these start background automatically, and these managed by services. So you can see here mobile small devices, your small pager, your mobile, your Android devices, every field area size services working background side. But we are just learning about services only for Windows operating system, computer, and laptop. So services work with the first hardware. So what is a hardware? Hardware means your motherboard, your backside. You can see yes, lot of pins here. So VGA port, PS2 port, USB port, printer port, and monitor port, mouse port here. So port means your pins. You can see here. So without your pins, your devices, your connect. Without your device pin connect your speaker, your mic, your anything. So this is directly not start. All of services, all of services need a main operating system file and some programming file. So programming file not directly start without your computer. So you start computer power on and automatically start your computer and motherboard, try to you start your programs and data. So that time services background automatically first start, So without service first start and your booting system. So CPU always try to your systems and try to your every time manage your process and process. So every your devices, computer hardware, speaker, your keyboard, your mouse, anything your, so all of hardware services available in all computer. So two type hardware based services and software based services available here. So sometimes your computer always start and you're very not early starting, some very take long time. So that means your server service is very busy type here. So you can connect here, you can see here, you connect your mobile by USB with your computer, you connect uh, your systems, your speakers, your computer. So without services file you cannot start here, because every feature, every computer settings depend on three type system: computer hardware, operating system, and your devices. So this is a need three feature or operating system services. Operating system by default start by computer you install first. So what is the operating system work here first? So first you start BIOS services by computer your motherboard. So BIOS and system devices always check and after you give services start here. And always BIOS and system devices means your computer mouse, your hardware, your anything, your start your drive, your control, your hard disk, anything. So you start by your devices and check here. Second is operating system driver services. Operating system driver always identify, and these driver always help your drive your devices and systems here. So second is a very important. First important, all of our topic available for operating systems in services here. So operating system software application you start. So without application start you not work. So services always try to background and application you using here. So I will discuss in this video deeply. So fourth is a hardware managed protocols, drivers and softwares. So what is a hardware managed protocol? Some protocols very important work for you. So what is a protocol? I will discuss in the next some video. And driver software means your driver software services. Driver, some driver you are not working directly. So you new purchase your new devices just like mic. So not directly your mic, your speaker, your home theater not starting, because you need first driver software install and after automatically services start here. Five is processor services and ID and control services. So every operating system services give a unique ID and process ID. Two type ID give and control your services here, and I will discuss in this video deeply. So use software management services means your software you install and how we your start, just like Windows operating systems, Windows Media Player, VLC Player, Media Player, Microsoft Office services, Adobe Reader software. So all of management by service systems here. Seven is devices and component optimize means this you create new folder you and you connect your new folder or your new devices attached. So automatically component optimize and you're starting your managed services. Some services not directly start because your new purchase devices. So that time first device driver need and component optimize after you start your services here. And 8 point is network and computer operating system optimized services. Network means your internet connection, internet services here. So we can not directly systems here. Second is software services. Software services means your software always start not directly. So you first need for software data and automatically programming files, programming systems not directly install in your computer, because you first need your data, programming data. So programming and software installation services, why using a services .exe you can see first extensions here. and some extension files available in programming files in and programming software. So computer allow these programming software in installation services by your computer. So you install new program, you install new software. So first you click and install, that time your services automatically start, and you can see here. So this operating system allow Windows operating system. Second is the software making and develop services. So you make a new software, you develop your new your software. So these services start your software services. So you can create your new software by your computer for your computer, your hardware, your mobile devices, and develop your systems and different types. Third is the software output services. Software output means you can see here your software save, your software file save, your software you're changing new directly system open and directly open your file, your system. So that is starting your start menu, you close your windows, you start your network. That is the software services, and always working your background side, all of services. This is software services here. Second is fourth is the software behavior. What is the service? So work with your software behavior. Some software you start your control your operating system, your some software you start your internet and control your internet. Some software using for security, and so how can this working here? What is the behavior and why using behavior systems here? So that is the services automatically installed and inbuilt created by software programmer, and you install that time software services automatically start in behavior you by your computer and your software data. Fourth is a software control services. Software control means some your software not perfectly you services and not perfectly your services system. So that time you're not responding a this type give a example, this type give so this is a service is busy here. And the third is a network services. So what is a network services? Network services means your data going in the network area, network systems area. How can going these services, protocol services available, HTTP protocols available. So network, these are the services using only for network services. Three type I'm divided: hardware based services, software based services, operating system based services, and third network services here. So third is a network services. First here you can see a network devices connections, very services. Some network devices not directly your connect without your driver, without your configuration. So first you connect new devices just like your internet, your broadband connection, your router, anything you add. So automatically not directly install. First you start your network and start connect your manage your systems, and after so automatically that time your services start background inside. Second, in network protocol always working in your background systems, and always protocol work with your TCP/IP and management your services by your computer services. So so this is a very important network protocol and device management by your computer services. Always try to check and some protocols not working so that time some services not working, and give message this service is not start, you cannot start in future. So these type of facilities and these type features managed by these services options here. Third is the network devices interface and management here. So what is a network devices means your network you're working in one computer connect with your other computer, your services internet and other. So these services network devices automatically start and interface start in your computer or background side, and you can management your security services here. So this is a service is very important some for your protocols, your protocol working with your security, your data safe, and security services here. For this internet connection management means your internet connections you maybe start in your computer. So first, not directly your internet connection start in your computer. First start your computer, and second start your services computer. And that time you already connect internet, so that time start start is your computer services operating system time. So internet connection management by your computer services. And five is server connection management means server you computer com connect it with your other computer and your services in computer. So server management you connect your, so this is a very important for server and server connection management, receive and sending some future future and present time systems. So this is a Windows operating systems, and you can see here. So friend, my this service part 2 I will discuss in next video practical, and how can we manage these services and how identify services, software services, operating system services, network services, hardware services, and operating system services. So one by one I will discuss services topic video, and I will show you practical in my video. Okay, so this video very long here, and I will continue this second part. Okay, so click on subscribe button and click on like button, and share this video in your friends. So this is very important for you. Click on subscribe and click on bell icon, so notification this give in your email id, and continue you understand computer knowledge. So thanks for watching my video.